Good morning, student. I am Vinita Mathur, Faculty of Electronics and Communication in Arya College of Engineering and IT, Jaipur. Addressing modes of 8085. The different way in which the source operand is denoted in the instruction is known as addressing modes. There are 5 addressing modes in 8085: immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, implied addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the data is provided directly to the register, or we can say capital I letter fall under this instruction. For example, MVID, 05. In this instruction, 8-bit data 05H is loaded to the register D. This 8-bit data 05H is provided by the user. Again, a second example, ADI 02H. In this instruction, 8-bit data 05H provided by the user is added to the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator. Register addressing mode. In this addressing mode, when the data is transferred or copied from register to register, then it is known as register addressing mode. Some examples are given. For example, move RD, RS. This instruction move the data. We can say move the source register data to the destination register. Again, in second example, move B, C. This instruction will move the content of 8-bit C register to the 8-bit B register. Similarly, add C. This instruction will add the content of register C with the content of accumulator A and store the result in 8-bit register A. Direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, 8-bit data is directly provided to the accumulator. For example, STA 16-bit address. This instructions means store the result of accumulator in the specified 16-bit memory location, or we can say LDA 16-bit data. It will load the accumulator with the data specified by the 16-bit memory location. Last, implied addressing mode. In this addressing mode, only opcode is present. For example, halt, which is used to stop the execution of program, return, RET. These instructions contain only opcode. They do not contain any operand. So it comes under the category of implied addressing modes. There will be some instruction which consist of more than one addressing modes. For example, register and accumulator. So there is some exceptionals in addressing modes. We can say that. Okay. Thank you.